Let's define the partial fraction decomposition of the following rational expression. What you want to first do with these problems is first rewrite it in the denominator so that it's completely factored out. This is one of those types of expressions that can be factored, they say perfectly. It's x, well, it's not perfect actually. Perfect would be if they have the same sign. This one, it's almost perfect, they just have opposite signs. Right? This comes from the fact that two parentheses that multiply, you could use the FOIL method to multiply them out, but the last two numbers would multiply to make this number. The first two terms multiply to make x squared, and then the middle terms cancel out because they're the same thing except for opposite signs. And so now that we've done that, we can rewrite 12 over x minus 3 and x plus 3 like this. This is the fraction decomposition part. We just need to find these coefficients a and b that would make this be true. So in order to do that, you want to multiply each a and each b, you want to multiply a and b by the other denominators that it does not have. So this a has x minus 3 as a denominator. We're going to multiply by x plus 3. And b has x minus 3 in it, and that's not in its denominator, so that's what we're going to multiply by. And that should equal the numerator. And the rationale for that is if you were to multiply what we just wrote up here by x minus 3 and x plus 3, the x minus 3's would cancel out here and leave you with x plus 3. The x plus 3 and the x plus 3 would cancel out, and then you'd be left with just 12 on the top part of the equation. In order to solve for a and b, we can pick certain values for x that boil the equation down to be something much simpler. So let's start with x equals negative 3. If you were to plug in negative 3 into this equation, the first term is gone. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So we have negative 3 minus 3 makes negative 6b. So that implies that b equals negative 2. And then if we solve again, if we plug in x equals positive 3, because plugging in positive 3 makes this term turn into 0, that lets us solve for a. 3 plus 3 makes 6. So plugging in x equals positive 3 implies that a equals 2. So that is our partial fraction decomposition. Plug in a 2 in the numerator there and a negative 2 over here. That's our answer.